Hi, and welcome again. How we can add item to set. To add an item to the set, we can use add function. Now, our set is containing John, Adam, and Ellen. We need to add an item, so we will say my set dot add, and then here we will specify the value which we need to be add. Let us add Smith. Print my set. Now Smith will be added to our set. Run John, Adam, Allen, and Smith. As you can see, Smith is added here. Now I have two sets, my set 1 and my set 2. My set 1 is contain apple, banana, and cherry. My set 2 is contain pineapple, mango, and papaya. So what we need to do, we need to join those two sets together. To do that, we can use update method. So we'll say my set 1 dot update. Between the two parentheses, we will specify the item which we need to update from, and in this case we will select my set 2. Now let us print my set 1. Run. So the output will be the combination between the two set. So basically what we are update method here did is taking the original set and add the another set into it. Suppose that now I have the other set in different data structure. What I mean I have set 1 here, and here I have list. So we have set and we have list. Can we add list to the set? Yes, we can do that using the update method. So we will say, okay, set1 dot update between the two parentheses. We add the list here. Now we can print set it's run. It will be do the join, which mean add set 2 to set 1. How we can remove items from the set? Remove an item from set, we use remove or discard method. Let us take an example. Suppose that I have this set which is contain John, Adam, and Ellen. So we'll say my set dot remove. Now let us remove Ellen. So we're using the remove function here. Between the two parentheses, we're adding the value which we need to remove. Let us print the set to make sure this function work as expected. Now my set here, it just contain Adam and John because we remove Ellen. Now let us use the same example, but let us use the discard dot discard. This time let us remove Adam. So what we expect the new set contain John and Alan. Here you go. The new set contain Alan and John only. Adam is removed. Also, we can remove an item with pop method, but this approach will only remove the final item. Keep in mind that sets are an order, so you won't be able to know which item is gone. For example, my list equal John, Adam, and Alan. Now we use the pop. Let us print my set. So this time here, Alan and John. So Adam is removed. Let us run again. So Alan and Adam. This time is John. This is what we meaning by the set is an order, which is meaning you will be not able to know which item is gone. As well, the clear method can remove all items from the list. For example, we have here my list, which is contain John, Adam, and Alan. Now we clear the list, we print, it should be print nothing. Set is nothing. Because clear, it will remove all the value inside the set. Also, we can use the Dell method to delete the whole set. For example, we have our list here, my set equal John, Adam, and Alan. Now we will type Dell, open the parentheses. Inside the two parentheses, we will type the set name, my set. Notice that if we need now to print my set, it will be no longer exist, and we will getting an error which is indicate that the set is not exist. Let us try to print it. Print my set. Now run. As you can see, we're getting an error which will say my set is not defined. Why? Because we are delete the entire set. So Dell will delete everything, which is not only the value, but will also delete the set itself.